Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to a highly undisclosed location somewhere in America. We got the Aventador, we got the Supra, we got the Gladiator. SEMA is finally over. We are racing back to the beautiful state of Utah. But first, the problem with white wheels is that when you do desert shenanigans, this happens. And unfortunately, Clayton has already left. So yeah, now the Aventador has carbon ceramics, so the brake dust is not nearly as bad, but at the same time, it doesn't really matter. Stefan and I are going in the Durango. That means one of these jokers is driving the Aventador. It's definitely not Kobe. I would choose you, Stefan. I think I have to choose Steve. I mean, he's the man. He's already decided. He knows. He's the oldest. He's the most responsible. Kobe, next time, mate. Braden, I'm so sorry. Nicholas, dude, Gladiator. He's got the Hellcat Gladiator. Yeah, you have to drive the Durango. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Okay. Wait, who's driving the Supra? Tessa, you want to drive the Supra? Yeah, Tessa will. Sorry, Kobe. Better luck next time. Winner drives the Supra. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, I thought. They don't know how to play rock, paper, scissors. You're out. No. Okay, take two.
Okay, whoever's taller.
No. Go.
Hey,
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors. No, what are you doing?
Gosh.
I said
I don't trust either of them. Stefan, can you film and drive at the same time?
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah. That was unplanned too. Like, that was not premeditated. They're both idiots. Go follow Stefan on Instagram. He's an absolute hero. We strapped him in the back of Levi's truck, and now he's in the back of a Durango, and I'm gonna sit right next to him.
This is significantly safer, I will say. This is significantly safer.
Well, mainly because Levi's not here. Anytime Levi's not around, life is safer. Look at that trio right there. Are you kidding me? What? Come on, Steve. It's got a V12. Yes. That is money. Get that Supra closer. Tighten up, boys, tighten up. Real random sequence in the vlog. We got the Supra, we got the Aventador, and we have a Liberty Walk Huracan right there. Let's go check that out. If Post Malone is watching today's video, 750 Lambo in the Utah snow is impressive. We got the 700 Lambo in the Nevada desert. Yeah, I don't really know what the point of that. Anyway, I don't know what the point of that was. Carry on. Out of nowhere, we have the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Huracan. This thing is so sick. I love this new revised deck lid. It's sort of Veneno-esque. Just out here doing donuts casually. This back end is so menacing. Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. So we're just out here doing a photo shoot with the 3 cars. I don't think I'm gonna be doing donuts in the Aventador. It's not that I don't want to, I just am not very good at it. That is so sick. I am not quite as courageous. I'm not gonna be doing that in my Aventador, but I want to. We're just out here doing a random photo shoot in the desert, and we come across a Liberty Walk Lamborghini Huracan. And now check this out. We have this 6x6 F450. This thing is an absolute monster. I don't think we're gonna do donuts in this. I'm pretty sure we're not. I hope we will, but I don't think we will. This thing is a beast. Just look at the extent of this exhaust pipe and these massive oversized Continental tires. We got 2-ton axles in there too, boys. Like, this is a proper built 6x6 right here. The goal with the Gladiator is to build the best 6x6 in the world. So everything has to be functional. It has to be used and abused. Like, we're gonna off-road the 6x6 Gladiator. It's not gonna be just like a standard SEMA build. This thing is sick. Yes. Oh, he's gonna regret that. That is so sick. Out of nowhere, we have another Pandem Widebody Supra. Do donuts, Chris. Do it for the viewers. The longtime believers. Do it. I don't think he's going to. I wouldn't. I didn't. Gosh, okay, I'm done. I'm tapping out. I am out of here. Oh, I don't know what he did to that car, but whoa. This is a very technical technique. Obviously, I'm not skilled enough to do this, but we are going to crawl up the Gladiator tire with the other Gladiator. What is this referred to as? Rooster crawl?
Gladiator stack.
Gladiator stack. That's what this is. This is the Gladiator stack. Take one.
You're touching tires.
That's how we do it, boys.
I think that's good, right?
Yeah, that's pretty good. I think that's
Oh
good.
my
That's
God.
definitely good. Dude, thanks for the photos. Guys, be sure to go check out Zoomy on Instagram. He took some sick shots of the cars.
C-U-M-Y, baby.
And look at that Huracan Liberty Walk. That's sick. Cool, man. Safe travels.
Yo,
have a good one.
See you later, bro.
See ya. And quite possibly the most obvious sequence in a vlog ever. The check engine light is on the Aventador. Hit it. Yes. Round 2 is going to be much easier than round 1. Todd is a hero, and Todd will be doing donuts in this CSV wagon.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, yes. I figured. And then I think we're gonna get canes afterward, but Nicholas is gonna load up the Gladiator. So we need some wood for the Aventador. We're just out here pillaging and plundering. Dun 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 dun. Sheesh. I let Tessa borrow the Aventador for 1 second, and it's caked in dirt. Are you kidding me, girl? Just like that, silence. It's all in the kneecap. Oh! Whoa. Jeez. Wait, you don't need any more wood?
You can chop it.
I can?
You definitely need that last piece.
We absolutely do.
That is
we
the
definitely
most important piece. That's the most crucial piece.
Yes.
Like a repeat even.
What was that, Ryan? What'd you say? Are you kidding me? What'd you say about my wrist size?
I said they're beautiful wrists.
That's right, you did. That's
Very
right, you did.
beautiful wrists.
He made fun of the size of my wrists. I've been working out. They're getting bigger. We are officially headed back to the beautiful state of Utah, but first, we're headed to Raising Cane's, so we're just... We have the Maserati Quattroporte. What happens? It's a mess. Are you kidding me? There are a few things in life more beautiful than the 3 supercars on the dry lake bed, and one of those is Raising Cane's. Yes. We don't have Raising Cane's in Utah, so when we're here, we gotta maximize. Yeah, the gut is gonna be a smidge bigger today. I have never seen a more beautiful group of 7 men eating chicken. Well, we arrived here to Vegas. I was about 148 pounds, and 3 trips to Raising Cane's. We're at 165. It is bulk season. Okay, so now we are finally headed back home to Utah. It's gonna be a long trip. We are officially, finally, actually, sort of, kind of headed back to Salt Lake City, Utah. It's 5.5 hours. The Aventador is an absolute disaster. So is the Gladiator and the Supra. I can only imagine what people are gonna think when they see the trio driving down the highway. We got Todd here in the CTSV wagon. He's a beast. My advice for what it's worth, never ever ever under any circumstance drive your supercars on a dry lake bed. Actually do, because it is so much fun. It is 100% worth it. Yes, the cars are an absolute disaster, but you know what? Sometimes in life, it's the only time you have in life. Also, massive shout out to Burlacker boys. Today is Monday. This video is going live on Tuesday, November 12th, and it is none other than the Burlacker's birthday. Guys, go follow him on YouTube, go follow him on Instagram, wish him a happy birthday, tell him that he should wrap his Mustang purple because I think he should. So yeah, anyways, happy birthday, Nick. The Jeep is still off at Agility Customs, and then the Ferrari 430 Challenge car is still up at Makes and Models. There's a whole laundry list of things that need to be fixed on that car. First and foremost, our main goal is to not have it catch on fire. Not that we think it would catch on fire, but if it did catch on fire, it does have a full fire suppression system, but we don't want that to happen. It has a minor oil leak. There's a couple of other things that just need to be remedied. And then once that car is fixed, I don't actually know where we're gonna park it. I should have thought of that before I bought the car, and I did think about that before I bought the car, but sometimes in life, if you buy a car first and figure out where to park it later, it has a way of just sort of happening. So I'm gonna find a place to park it. I just don't know, I don't know exactly where. Derek, the owner of Makes and Models, he offered to let me store it there for the meantime, so that's where the car will be stored. Yeah, anyways, cut. This is sick. Like, these two cars together are amazing, but check out this sunset going on in Utah right now. What? Are you kidding me? Just out here flexing on the nation. Don't move here, boys. Like, just don't move to Utah. Don't do it. Okay, where were we? The Supra was finished for SEMA, but it's not actually done. There's a handful of things I still want to do with this car. First and foremost, I really want to get a custom interior made for the car. Now, I've never done that in any of my car builds, but some type of purple and white scheme I think would be amazing. And then I'm still trying to decide, do we manual convert the Supra? There's that shop down in San Antonio, EAG, that has converted their car. I want to fly down there soon and drive it. After driving it, I think I'll know one way or the other if I want to do it. And I'm assuming I probably will, but I don't want to announce it until I've driven it. So that may be coming to a vlog near you. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.